Like.
Can you see the teddy bear? Can you find the teddy bear? Yeah, that's the teddy bear. Can you find the ducky? You know what the ducky is?
That.
Yep, that's the ducky. It's the yellow ducky. Wait. Can you find the turtle? You know where the turtle is, Ariel?
Because.
Mm-hmm. Do you know where the pig is? Can you find the pig? No? Okay.
Try the horse.
Can you find the horse, Ariella? Yep, that's the horse. Can you find the cat? Can you find the cat? Yep, that's the cat. Can you find the fish? Fish, Ariella. Okay.
Fish.
Yep, there's the fish. It's a different fish, but it's still a fish. Let's see. Can you find the banana? Banana? It's on this page. Yep, that's the banana. Okay, page. Can you find the puppet? Where's the puppet? Yep, that's the puppet. Do I have to take more pictures?